Here's a 1949 Mercury 8 sedan. Very cool car. It's kind of interesting. This week I've been doing a lot of videos and pictures of high horsepower Mustangs, street rods, and then all of a sudden here comes a stock Mercury in, and it gets you just as excited as some of those high horsepower fancy cars. This car it's just cool because it is so much like the day it would have rolled off the assembly line at Mercury. It still has the 255 flathead V8 underneath the hood, manual transmission on the column with overdrive, so it's got the 3-speed manual with overdrive. And I mean, take a look at this Mercury grille. Who doesn't love that and the bright work on it? This car is Berwick green, so it is the same color as it would have came from Mercury. Was originally a Berwick green car. Vinyl interior is also in great shape. Take a peek at that so you can see it. And look at the dash, just how stock that dash is. Stock steering wheel. And you gotta love the suicide doors in the rear here. And then check out how these things open and close. I mean, it's just unbelievable. You don't hear cars these days. And then look at how that fits. The body line on that. Just a cool car. Paint is in very nice shape, has a nice luster to it. Are there a few nicks and scratches and dings here and there? Yes, but I would call this an extremely nice driver. I mean, this is a car you can take out on a Sunday, take to a cruise in, take to a show. This one will do it all. Bright works, pretty nice shape. I think a lot of this is stock. If you take a look, there's some pitting above that light there. But to me, that's because it's never been switched out. It's never been redone. Same as that Mercury in the back, a little bit of pitting on that. Those are all original pieces. Believed to be original miles on this, which I think is approximately 73,000. We'll take a look when I fire it up. If you'd like to check out the underside pics, interior pics, engine bay, check them out at uniqueclassiccars.com. And the one thing to take a look at the underside of this car and how clean it is. Also take a look at pictures underneath the door so you can see the bottoms of the door jambs. Very rust free. You won't see much surface rust on this car at all. It did not spend its life in Minnesota, I will guarantee you that, and it truly shows. Again, look at how those doors fit, the body lines and the door gaps. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat of this. I just love opening those rear suicide doors. Headliner and everything, very, very nice shape. And again, watch how the door closes, just unbelievable. I'm going to go ahead and fire this up for you so you can hear how smooth it runs, how smooth it starts. Turn the key and start button's right down here. And it's running. Very smooth starter, very smooth runner. And again, check out how stock this dash looks. From the radio to the ashtray to the clock to all the gauges. Very cool car, spotlight. More than likely an added option, I believe. Come around to the back so you can hear this. Purrs like a kitten. One little ding in the trunk there. Listen to that car run. And just look down the side of it. Look how straight that is. There's pictures with and without the fender skirts on there also. Wheel wells open or with the skirts on. So give us a call, 507-386-1726. Check out any of the underside pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. 1949 Mercury 8 sedan.